Oh, shit. Alright, this is my Polaris. It's about 4 or 5 stories. You know, it takes me a minute just to get to it. It's got ramps on the sides that I could bring down, but we're gonna take the elevator because I think the elevator is the better way to go to introduce it. I'm gonna pause until I walk to the front. Alright, check this out. I am lowering the ramp. So using this ramp, I could load vehicles like tanks and trucks and all kinds of vehicles in there. I mean, I could load an airplane in there, but it's better to use the hangar up top for the airplanes. But this whole thing is my ship. Like, I fly this thing. Like, I'm gonna get into it right now. We're gonna fly it. And then you playing with me, you could man that big turret on the bottom. You could man one of like 8 turrets on this thing. You could load torpedoes. Oh, I think we could play basketball now. Hold on. I know they added a basketball ring, but I forgot where the thing is. I think this is the other end. Yeah, this is for the other door. Hold on, let me turn the volume down. Look, they added basketballs. So this turns the hangar into a basketball court. There it is. That's a new feature. Along with fire extinguishers, we got a basketball court and basketballs. Let me turn that off. Boom! Look, it retracts. Anyway, oh, there's also an elevator here. Hold on. Let's call the elevator and go up to the main hangar. This is the vehicle bay. Now we're gonna go up to the main hangar upstairs. To the hangar. Yeah, this ship has like several elevators. And look, this is my mining ship inside my big ship. So, you know, this thing's like a base. This is like my little mining ship. I have a bigger mining ship. And even this thing, to get into it, oh man, it's fun. Even getting to, look, you just go up a ladder. There's no shortcuts. Like, you have to actually get in the ship. Like, there's no like bullshit, I'm just gonna hit a loading screen. Every one of these ships are fully functional with beds, with bathrooms, with a bridge, I guess. So even this, I have to like sit in the chair. There you go. And now I can fly the ship. I could fly the ship in the ship, but first I gotta open the door. Alright. Anyway. By the way, this game has 200 ships like this. Like, maybe 1 or 2 capitals, but as far as like little ships, I think they're at 200 plus. Maybe even 300 at this point. How do I open this fucking door? Oh, there it is. So yeah, like, all the movement in the game is real. Like, there's no bullshit loading screens. I mean, once the game loads, there is no loading screen. So, yeah, that's my mining ship. Oh, let me show you how to open the hangar. There's a freaking lever for it somewhere. I think this is it. The hardest part is remembering where all this shit's at. There's my hangar door. So, let me take you to the bridge next. Or maybe I should take you to the armory. It's about the front. Please be the front, because I don't want to walk. Yeah, it's the front. Oh, by the way, this is the recreational area with checkers. This is the kitchen, I think. This is the dining table. This is the pool hall, the pool table. This is the bed, the barracks for the troops, I guess. Open. Troop barracks with lockers. Like, these are real lockers. You could put your shit in them. Bathrooms, beds. I mean, there's captain's quarters. You know. Here, these are the turrets the upper turrets at least. I mean, you can see the detail in this ship. This is this is the captain's office, the captain's ready room. Actually, no, this is also my bedroom. I think I get. Yeah, that's my bed. Oh, and that's where I put my guns. It's a weapon rack. There's a bunch of weapon racks all over here. I think this is the armory. Yeah, this is the armory. You know, this is where we put the weapons. This is where we were supposed to put the spacesuits, but that's not in the game yet. There's a bunch of shit I could show you. More weapon racks. Alright, let's finally get to the bridge. These are escape pods. They don't work yet. This is the bridge. This doesn't work either. Yeah, there we go. Finally to the bridge. This is for the pilot, co-pilot. The captain sits there, but this chair does nothing. This controls a remote turret, and this controls another remote turret. But the most important seat is this one. This is where the pilot sits. And there you go. Now I could fly my giant 4-story spaceship. This is my big ship. Look how big this fucker is. You know, and then even to leave, there's no loading screen. To leave, I have to actually get the hangar bay called in. Let me see if I can close all these doors. Yes, my keybinds are still good. So I'm closing all the doors. You see the roof retracting, the everything closing. What is going on with the... Sorry, why are they not... Let me see what's going on with the freaking... Do I need to repair or something? 19,000 just to repair. Restock. Refuel. 31,000 just for fucking hydrogen. That's crazy. I guess they went up in price. There we go. The hangar bay, the hangar door is finally opening. So now I could fly. And put VTOL on. Oh shit. Fuck, hold on. Shit. Sorry. My throttle is in the reverse position. There we go. Let me just take off. And there you go. All the flying, all that shit. I mean, the game is fucking beautiful. Oh, let me put the landing gear up. Let me make sure I'm not hitting an asteroid. And there you go. This is my big ship. This one's only like $800. You could get it like, there's a way to get it cheaper for like $500, sometimes even less. Oh, and then you can even look through the window. If you look through the window close, you'll see me. And if like you're in the ship with me, you could actually see me. Like we could be fighting, and you could fly up to that window and you could see inside my ship. Like, you know, everything in this game is like realistic as fuck and detailed as fuck. I mean, look at my turrets. I mean, this game is sick. Like, you have no idea.